welcome back to Vlogmas. Today is day, I don't know, but anyways, so today is Sunday. Husband and I, we're up, we're going to have breakfast. I absolutely love Black Bear, so when I am off, we go and have breakfast at Black Bear. But we didn't dress today because when we finish having breakfast, we are going to start decorating outside. Look at hubby. Say hi, babe. So we're going to start decorating. But you guys, while I am in his car, I want to show you my husband's car. It is amazing. It is a S65, and this car is absolutely beautiful. So let me turn the camera around so you guys can check it out. We get into the light too. So yeah. So check it out. The sound system in here is amazing. So if you guys know anything about S65, you will know. But look at the dashboard. It lights up at night. Look at that steering wheel. Ooh. Look at that door handle. Ooh. He's sitting up there serious too, because he don't want me on the camera. Look at that. So, ooh. I'm gonna show y'all the back seat. It's the AMG. I'm gonna show y'all the car when we get out. Look at the sunroof. Look at his bald head. I'm gonna show y'all the car when we make it. Look how the dashboard is. This car is beautiful. I'm gonna show y'all more when we get out. So this is Black Bear, just in case you guys never heard of Black Bear. Really? So that's Black Bear. Alright. Let me get in. I had to go run and get on the waiting list. But this is what it looks like. So it's nice and dirty. You guys, it's beautiful. Look at the lights. Crystals. Okay. Wheels. Let me show y'all the inside real quick. So this is what the inside really looks like. And this is what I really look like. But it's dirty. And he usually don't have his car dirty, but the weather's been a little bad down here at the door. Okay. Beautiful, you guys. I wish I could tell you a little bit more about this car because it has so many features. But of course, I don't know much about cars. And if you guys know me, my husband is a car man. He loves cars. Sports cars, luxury cars, motorbikes. He has it all. Alright, let me show y'all the back. What the back looks like. Web, license plate. Alright. So it's dirty, so don't pay that no mind. Alright, you guys, let's go in so we can eat. Okay guys, look at the food. It's so delicious. This is my pancakes. I love bananas on my pancakes. And this is husband food. Let me show you food, baby. Ooh. We got our coffee and lemon water, of course. So guys, look. So now we're at the truck stop taking a look at our trucks. So this is Web Enterprise, white chair. And we got a Conestoga. You know I ain't saying it right, trailer. Y'all, a close-up of when one of our trucks. Alright, this is the big beauty right here. We got the Conestoga trailer. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but let me show y'all. Dirty, but that's okay. Let me stand there so y'all can take a good look at it. Alright y'all, so that's it with that. We just wanted to stop at the truck stop really quick. So we headed home right now whenever he get back in the truck, so we can start decorating outside. I look a mess, and that's okay. That's all right, so let's get into it, you guys. Got my shirt, I'm representing. Yep. All right, bye y'all. So we home about to get started, but look playing around doing. I'm not going in there to get it. Thought you could start it up now without the key. All right, y'all. So let's. I need the key, babe. I'm not going to get it. You're going inside anyway. Hold on, babe. So a portion of this video is sponsored by Vivo Home. Okay, so you guys have seen me do quite a few collaborations with Vivo Home, but they sent me out some amazing inflatables. So this one here in particular is a 6-foot Christmas inflatable snowman and penguin. This one is a 7.2 feet long Christmas inflatable LED lighted Santa on a sleigh with reindeers. Also, I have this one, Santa with a big gift bag, and also I have Santa on the sleigh with reindeers. So let me show you how these look, all blown up and everything. The link to Vivo Home will be down below in the description box. All of my inflatables, and see what we're working with. This is all, some of them together, you guys. So let's get it started. Okay, so far, you guys, just let me check in. We are still just trying to get stuff situated. So I got them two over there. Vivo home. So we are still at it. We're just trying to get stuff situated. We don't know exactly. That's over there. Those three things is the only thing we know for a fact is staying there. I already got the wreath on the door. So I still got to do lights and stuff over on that side. So yeah, that's where we at. Me, Sweaty Betty. My neighbors are out putting out stuff too. So today is a really beautiful day out in Houston. So we're getting our lights and things up. So yeah. Okay. So I'll show you guys when it's all done.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!